Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Survivor.io on your mobile device. To update the Survivor.io application on your mobile device is super easy. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Survivor.io. Once you find this application, look for the update button if available. If there is an update button available, tap on update and then you will then be able to download the latest version of Survivor.io. Just ensure you have a stable internet connection during the update process to prevent interruptions. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Survivor.io tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.